Welcome to solverfy.
So we have to find out the molecular formula from the given empirical formula. So for A, the empirical formula will be CH2 and the molecular formula will be 42.08. The difference between molecular formula and empirical formula is that molecular formula is just a multiple of the empirical formula. So therefore, it will be seen can be applied to the empirical molar mass. So from here, we can find the empirical molar mass will be roughly around 14. So here we have 12 plus 2. 12 will be corresponding to carbon, 2 will be corresponding to hydrogen. So what we're going to do is that we take our overall molar mass divided by our molar mass of the empirical formula. So 42.0 H divided by 14, we'll roughly have 3.0. So we know that the multiple will be 3.0. So it will be our molecular formula will be 3 times more than the empirical formula. So the actual molecular formula will be C3H6. So we just need to multiply the whole thing by 3. Okay, so same thing we're going to apply to the rest of the question. So the empirical formula NH2 will be 16. So we're going to again take our molecular of the molar mass divided by 16, and we should be able to find that the multiple will be roughly around 2. So that's why we will have N2H4 at the molecular formula. Okay, and then for NO2, we have 14 plus 16 times 2, and then we're 92.02 divided by 46. So roughly the multiple will be 2. So we have N2O4. So just to remind you that this one will, the molar mass of the empirical formula will be 40 gram per mole. Okay, so for part D, so we just need to find the molar mass of the empirical formula. So we have C, H, and then nitrogen. So we have roughly around 27 gram per mole. And then the overall mass will be 135.14 divided by 27. So it will roughly around 5 times more than the empirical formula. So we have C5, H5, and 5 for the molecular formula.